Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem removes duplicates from sorted list 2. So this is a follow-up problem of remove duplicates from sorted list. So given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all nodes that have duplicate numbers, leaving only distinct number from the original list. Return the linked list sorted as well. So if it is allowed, like we can basically create new nodes or rearrange the node, then one of the easiest straightforward solution, like what we will do, we will use a set and iterate through the list once, and whenever we observe, like if any node is we will count the frequency of the values of the node, and if it is more than greater than 1 we will skip them, and whatever the nodes has frequency 1 we will create a new list started from the sorted value, like smallest to largest. So this is the one way we can create it, which is like is not allowed in any of the interviews because you are modifying the list and everything. But the list problem is mostly like playing around the pointers and use some other like reference pointers and play around that and get us to the answer. So how we will solve this problem? So here if you see, first like we have node 1 which is on exist single, so we will keep into the result list. Similarly 2 exist single once, then we need to keep in our result list, while 3 is exists 2 times, so we don't have to keep it at all, we have to remove all. Similarly 4 remove it all, and 5 is exist 1, so we have to keep into the answer, and it is as we started from in the left to right, so this is also sorted way, we have to maintain like that. So how we will solve this problem? So whenever we are solving linked list problem, it is always good to create a sentinel node or dummy head that is good to track basically head node, and immediately we will return the dummy head dot next. So let's create a node which is a dummy head sort and dh, and with the value, any value it doesn't matter because we anyway we have to return from dummy head dot next. So we will create first here this dummy head node. Now what we can do, we will, so this is our original head node which is here, and now what we will do here, we will start from the this node. So another node we will create previous node which will be track the previous pointer, and we will initialize from the dummy head itself. And now we initialize another node here like start node with s, and also the we can count the start and initialize integer variable count that we will use to count how many adjacent nodes appears of same values. So initialize with the 0. Now what we will do, we will keep trying it like while the head is not null, while head is not null. So we will try while head is not null, and the value of start dot value is equals to head head dot value. If this is satisfied, then we will keep moving head pointer, head is equals to head dot next. So we will move the head to the next node and also update the count by 1 because the this appears at duplicate times, we will increase. So we will keep doing it until this condition is true. So first head is on 1, then second it move on to here, and our count will be here 1. So this head now as start dot value is not equal to head dot value, so this is here. Now we will check, after that we will check if count is greater than 1, if there are more than one node of the same value appears, then we don't have to do anything, we just update our start to the new, like where the head is now, so with the head node. Otherwise if count is equals to 0, else what we will do, we will update the pointers like from this previous node pointers. So we are pointing here, we will update it to point it to the next. So this is appears 1, so we will point it to here previous dot next to start, and then move start to, so we will change the previous p dot next is equals to start and update previous to previous dot next. So now our previous will be here, and the start, like this is our new previous will be here, and the start will be here, and head is also here. So now we will repeat again this, and we will keep doing it, and we will get this in the whole final answer. So pause the video and try to implement it your code. Let me start implementation of code, and also I will explain more here. So for the code, we first create a dummy head list node, dummy head or sentinel node from the value new list node of -1 value, and also we will create a previous node from the dummy head itself. So that's it here. And now what we will do, we will iterate while the head is not equals to null. In that case, we will also check now again head not equals to null. So before that, we will create a start node from the head. So start from the head and a counter variable from the initialize from the 0. So if it is head is not null and start dot val is equals to head dot val, then in that case we will update our head by head dot next and we will increment count by 1. So this we will keep doing it, and here we will check if count is greater than 1, like we got adjacent more than one node which of the same value. In that case, we just update our start with the where the head is, where this condition is break. So to the new head node, that will be the start of the. Otherwise, what we will do, we will update. So dummy dot next by the start node and move dummy by shift dummy to new node, which is so dummy dot next. So that's it here, and we will keep trying it, and after that when we cross this loop, we will just return dummy head dot next. So that is the reason using a sentinel node or dummy head is always good. So let's try to compile the code and see if it is working. So there is some dummy is not found here. I use the previous variable and in code I use the dummy. So let's change it to dummy actually. So that will be better. So let's compile it again. So now it is working, and let's try to test few custom test cases. Let's say there is no node in list, one node in list, and 1 2. So these are the corner test cases I am trying to write here, and 2, and let's take only 1 1 so that we get empty. Let's take another very big. So that's it. So let's try to compile the our corners and other custom test cases, whether it is getting passed or not. So if we see the diff, we are getting expected answer. So now we can submit this actually. So let's try to submit. So there are some cases got failed. So the reason of the main reason, like in the end what will happen. So let's understand this why it is got failed over here. So we have a list 1 2 2 and our dummy head, let's say -1 is started from here, previous is also, or dummy is pointing also here and dummy head is also here, and the first our head node will be over here and the start node will be over here. So this will be fine, this head dot not is equal to 1 and our count will be 1 only, and then head will be shifted here, and that while loop condition will break first, then we will assign this dummy dot next to this. So that is fine now. After that our new start will be here and head will be here itself. So we will move here and this will keep until this is the null node, and we will reach here and count value will be here 2. So the count will be 2. So but we didn't break this link. So that's the reason we are getting here 1 to 2 itself, and we are expecting 1 because 2 is duplicate. So what we miss here, we have to break the link in the end after trying else. So we need to set the last next pointer. So we will make dummy dot next to null. So that will solve our case. So let's try to custom test it at first before submitting. So start, we will get the, it's going on now, and now you can see we are getting the correct answer. So let's submit this after this fix. So this is very important, like you have to update properly. So it got accepted now. So now what is the time complexity of this solution? As you can see with the head reference, we are iterating all the nodes once. So it is O of n and the space complexity is constant. So the time complexity is O of n and space complexity is O of 1. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And there is further more improvement we can do, like if you want to avoid the count variable itself, that we can do easily. we first compare whether these two variable like head.next exist, then and head.next head.value is equal to head.next. In that case we will just shift one. Let me just, I am explaining you how you can do it, so try it out first yourself. What we will do, we will first compare. If head is pointing here, we will go ahead and check if, so we will check first if head.next exists. So there is a next head.next not equals to null. In that case, and the value at head.value is equals to head.next.value, which means there are at least two nodes we have same value, consecutive one. So we will just use that inner while loop which we condition, like which we used here, and here we skip the count value, we just update head every time, and here we will make it head.next, like head.value is equals to head.next.value if it is keep moving head by next. Once we break out this while loop here, we just need to update our previous like pointer to the new head. So when the is break, head will be pointing some variable. So this will be break over here itself. Initial case it's not go in head, so we need to mark like if our dummy is here, we will update dummy.next is here and dummy will shift it here. Similarly here head.next and head is not same, so we will update another this here, and our now dummy is here. Now head is here and head.next and head.value is same. In that case we just change this pointer from here to here, head.next, and our head will move here. Then we will again try it and move it. So this is the idea approach. So I would leave on you try to try out the code it out yourself first, and if you have any issues in implementation, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.